Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your OnePlus 10 Pro, 10R, 10T device. In first matter, restart your OnePlus device and check Wi-Fi working or not. To restart your OnePlus, long press the power and volume up at same time to view the power menu. Now tap on a restart to restart your OnePlus device and check Wi-Fi working or not. In second method, turn on aeroplane mode. Pull down notification panel at the top. Tap on aeroplane mode. Wait until 5 or 10 seconds. After that, turn it off again and turn on Wi-Fi to check fix Wi-Fi issue or not in your device. Now turn on Wi-Fi and check Wi-Fi is connected or not. If you use router or modem, unplug the router and modem from the power outlet for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, plug the power cable again. Wait until the modem light turn on and router start. If you still facing the issue, forget the connected Wi-Fi network. Pull down notification panel, toggle on Wi-Fi. Long press the Wi-Fi icon. Tap on connected Wi-Fi. Tap on remove this network. Tap on remove. Now again tap on the network. Enter the password and check connect or not your Wi-Fi connection on your device. If you still facing the issue, connect Wi-Fi with other device like a laptop or other phone to check if your Wi-Fi issue or your phone related issue on your device. In the end of the last solution, you need reset network setting. To reset network settings, go to settings, scroll down, tap on a system settings. At the end of the page, you can see backup and reset. Tap on it. Tap on a reset phone. Tap on reset network settings. Tap reset network settings. It will reset all your saved Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth pair and other cellular data, mobile data related settings to network default. Now restart your phone and check fix the Wi-Fi issue or not. If none of the above your solution work for you, contact your service provider. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.